Gwobr Cylch Ti a fi. Y pedwar uchaf yn y categori yma yw Cylch Ti a fi, y serth, Cylch Ti a fi, llewod bach, Cylch Ti a fi, sgiwen, Cylch Ti'r teulu. A'r enillydd yw Cylch Ti'r teulu.
Fi'n mwynhau dod yma i ddechrau. Sim gymaint o deganau bethau gyda fi adre. Beth fi'n hoffi fwyaf yma yw bod fi'n medru cymdeithasu. Mae pob oedran yn dod yma. Ni gon menwod sy'n dod yma. Mae dynon yn medru dod yma hefyd. Mae'r gŵr yn y gorffennol, mae fe wedi dod ar ddwy o nhw'r un diwrnod. Fel fi, mae'n lle just fantastic.
I think this Cylch is special because it brings the community together. We have many Polish and English families that are on low incomes that come in. It's good for them because they get to learn some Welsh and make new friends. We also do a project where we do around the world, so we'll go and visit different restaurants and things so that the children can learn about different cultures and about different foods. So we'll visit a Chinese restaurant or an Italian restaurant so that they get to try new things and learn new things. Because we have so many different nationalities within the community, we feel it's really important that the children learn about different cultures. I think it's projects like this that make this Cylch extra special.
Llond dyfychiadau i Cylch Ti'r teulu.